I'm now in the gym on a treadmill. Later on I'm gonna go do the other stuff in the gym. Just want to share something. Many years ago I signed up to a group that we were doing aerobic exercise together, and I really had success with it, but I was on and off. Like, I went for a few months and then I stopped going, and I'd never liked it. I hated to do the exercise. It was very difficult for me, but I went because I knew that I had to do it, and I'm a really disciplined person, so I knew I had to do it, so I went and I did it. But whatever excuse I found not to do it, that day I didn't go, that week I didn't go. All of a sudden I saw myself months at a time of not going to the gym. About 5 months ago everything changed. 5 months ago what happened was I listened to something, I don't know, I was watching Tony Robbins, one of his motivational things, and something clicked in when he was talking about exercise. I cannot tell you exactly what he said because I don't remember. I just remember that it clicked into me. And basically what I decided after watching him, for whatever he said, I don't know what he said, is that I have to look at exercise not as something that I have to do in order to be healthy, or because otherwise I'm not going to be healthy. Rather, I have to do it as a way of life. Because if I'm thinking that the reason I'm doing exercise is because otherwise I'm not going to be healthy, if I feel good and I don't feel that I'm missing anything in my health, Baruch Hashem, which this is the case for me now, Baruch Hashem, and every excuse that I have not to go, okay, I'm healthy, why do I need to go? So I made a change in my mind about exercise, that it became something that I do it now 3 days a week, but it's like something I do 3 days a week as a way of life. It has nothing to do with me being healthy. Let me switch hands, my hand hurts me from holding the phone. So I'm doing it every week, regardless how I feel, and it's a way of life. Same as I have to eat, the same as I have to do other stuff, human stuff that I have to do, and not everything I do is because it's pleasant or it's not pleasant. The same thing, I have to breathe, you have to. This is what so in other words, it's not, I made a shift in my mind. I used to think that I'm doing the exercise because now I have to do it, so now I'm going to do it. And now I know I'm doing the exercise because same as I have to go to sleep every day, every night I have to sleep. So same thing, I have to do exercise. For me it helped because it made a mind shift. It's not like I have to do it now. It's like as long as you live, B''ezrat Hashem, you're going to do exercise. This is how a person has to live. So it's part of living. That's one thing that changed everything. One more thing that I want to do another post. Maybe I'll post it tomorrow, and I'll tell you what the other thing that changed. And by the way, you want to see the gym, the beautiful gym that I'm going. It's a man-only gym, and it's amazing. I have it's an amazing atmosphere here. It's an atmosphere of people who work on themselves, who take care of themselves. So I see you tomorrow with the other clip.